Okay, so I didn't add these onto the last video. This is part 2 and just be a quick one. This was just using up some of the extra papers that I hadn't used before. So again, it's just Happy Mail. If you follow me, you'll have seen me make this set before. I do have a tutorial for this, which I'll link below. And it's basically a little notebook. With this is all from the same sheet of paper. A tag, a gift tag, a very simple gift tag, and a pocket. Just made out of some old French book pages. So that's there. Little heart to go on the bottom of that. This was a sheet of the paper. I've connected this with a magnet. So this was a file folder which I've just covered with most of a sheet of paper, and on the inside there's some of the tear paper, little tag I've put together with a scrap from the title paper. And this is a glassine bag which I made using, this is from one of the summer kits, Rach and Bella's summer kits, and I showed you how I put those together in another video which is further down. So that's that one. And then this is a little ephemera folder. It's another sheet of paper that I cut it down and joined it this time. And inside I've just got 3 pockets stuffed with little bits of ephemera. So that's part 2. And that's my design team project for September. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.